Translation also. Huh. Kala walidi. Bas. How much you are reading? I told Mama Zain, follow the rule. I told you to read only 3 sentences. Why you are reading too much? Yes. Kala walidi. My father said, Yumkinu antazhaba. Huh. Translation. Next sentence. Yumkinu antazhaba. Yumkinu amkana yumkinu means can. Means can do. Yumkinu antazhaba. You can go. My father said, you can go. Walakin yambagi. Yambagi means should. Yambagi means should. Walakin yambagi anta khuza maaka kullal adwatil kitabiyatil lazimati wa kazalikal kutub. But you should take with you every necessary thing for writing and as well as books. Means things which are compulsory for writing and books you should take with you. Next one. My voice is not coming. You all? Yes. Next one. Better next one from girls side. From girls class 7th A. What I am saying, listen carefully and do. From girls 7th A. Zubia is there? Zubia, are you present? No. Fariha Javed? Fariha Javed. Just now you are saying that it is audible. Now you are saying that you are not audible. I am not understanding. Audible or not audible? Yes. Habiba? Habiba, read the next sentence and translate. ينبغي أن تذاكر الدروس مع صديقك. Yes. From here. Hmm. Hmm. مع صديقك. Better don't read ma'as. It is not ma'as. It will be read ma'a sadiqika. وأن لا طلب كثيرا. وأن لا تلعب. Now translate. Yes. قريبا. قريب امتحان قريب is there or الامتحان قريبا. Why you are reading wrong? Yes. ويلزم أيضا معك الفطائر. وسندويش شات سندويش ويتاشا. Yes. This is sandwich vitashato. Vitashato. Not yes. Sandvitashatu. Sandvi tashatu. Sandvi tashatu. Repeat it. Sandvi tashatu. Yes. Huh. Huh. Muhammad. बस. Now, from here, ينبغي أن تذاكر الدروس مع صديقك. What I said, ينبغي means it is must, necessary, should, है ना? तो ينبغي أن تذاكر الدروس. हाँ, to revise the chapter, to revise the chapters. أن تذاكر الدروس. It is compulsory for you that you should revise the chapter مع صديقك with your friend وأن لا تلعب كثيرا and وأن لا تلعب. لا تلعب. Don't say أن تلعب. لا تلعب. And do not play much. And do and do not play. It is necessary for you to revise the chapters with your friend and don't play much. Examination is near. Al-imtihan, examination. The examination is near. Lazima yalzamo means to be necessary. Lazim. है ना? Lazim means it is also to be necessary. Yalzamo azan and it is also necessary. Aizan means also. Hmm. And हाँ and tahuda to take with you ma'ak al-fatair. Al-fatair it is jama of the fatur. Ma mana fatur? Yeah, you have right. In conversation also, communication period, futur you have read many times. Akaltul futura. Ma mana akaltul futur? Yeah, breakfast. Yes, breakfast it is that. It is breakfast. That anna ta'khudha ma'akal fataira. You should take with you the something to eat, है ना? Breakfast. Was sandwishat that and sandwiches. Walaka an tuqasima qasama yu. Yes, and qasama yuqasimu means to divide or to distribute. Like it is coming to divide. Qasama yuqasimu. To divide among people. है ना? You should divide it with your friend Muhammad. Yes. Now, the time is going on. Oh, it's going to finish. Uh, so next one. Next one. What is your name? Who is asking, ma'am? Can I read? Can I read? I'm asking what is your name. First of all, you have to raise your hand and then. When I'm saying anything, so my voice is not clear, है ना? When you want to understand, so you are understanding. Otherwise, so you are saying that my voice is not clear. Not coming. Who? Who is saying? Abdullah? Now we have to go. Better we have to go to WhatsApp group because time is going to finish here also. So we yes join WhatsApp group.